Dr. Faisal. I come from Somalia, and here I underwent the course of Assisted Reproductive Technology in CFC. And really the institute is the Informatic Institute, where I can say that it's one of the best institutes to learn, as well as the treatment part also. Because when you see the reproductive technology, one of the leading one really in India, I really appreciate it because you will cover it all and you will get it what we call hand-on practice, the first day till the end of the course. And it is really appreciable. I should thank to Dr. Thomas as well as Dr. Krishna for their helpful and guidance which they have really gave us, and I really appreciated that. And it is one of the best institutes in India, really, especially the IVF centers, where you can cover it all the protocols, starting from oocyte collections till the ICSI, where you can get it really your hand practical. And as you know, the system or this one actually you need to have more practical. This is not the theoretical subject; it's a practical subject. Once you get it the hand on it, you will know it how it's good. Thank for them and thank for CFC administration. Thank you.